Welcome to the Bluffs at Wesley Chapel. Come on in while we take a look at this Newport model. So today I am with Melanie Adams with Grand Living Homes. And so she's going to tell us about what this community has to offer. So Melanie, take it away.
Thank you. Thanks, Latoya. Yes, this neighborhood is a 37 home site neighborhood with half-acre home sites. We have currently 4 home sites left to customize and build from scratch. And then we also have 6 home sites that are homes that are actually ready to move into with some great incentives that we're offering right now for your buyers.
Okay. If you need more information regarding this community, feel free to reach out to me. I'm Latoya Dillard, 803-524-6886, or if you want more information, you can also reach out to Melanie. But make sure you tell her that I sent you, okay? Give her your contact information.
Yes, my contact information here at the Bluffs, you can reach me at 864-363-1465 or email madams@grandlivinghomes.com.
So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel for more home tours and real estate insights. And don't forget to enter our weekly giveaway.